everyone! Welcome to another weekly vlog. So this week is actually a review week for finals. And today is May 1, start of May. And yung finals namin is on May 10. So we have the whole week to study for finals, finish our requirements, mga papers, and all that stuff. And I'm so nervous for finals kasi yung topic namin or yung coverage namin is from the start of the school year to our recent lessons. So that's like August 2020 pa. And I'm so scared. I don't know what to expect. Hopefully I do well on my exam. So I'm planning to start today. Yung first exams namin are minors, so I'm gonna start with those and then focus on the majors. And yeah, right now I'm just doing a batch reviewer for biochem. And before I start my vlog or like my day, I just wanted to share with you some skincare and hair care products that I've been using because I just wanna share to you that I'm so happy na hindi masyadong nagbe-breakout yung skin ko. As in, meron akong mga breakouts sa forehead because I feel like I've been sleeping late and nadi-dehydrate ako. Pero other than that, my skin is pretty good and I'm really happy about it. Yung first product I use is cleanser and I alternate between these two. So, yung ginamit ko today is this Hello Glow Low pH Hydrating Cleanser. I use this when my face feels extra dry. Sometimes I use this at night also, pero meron akong staple for night. Ito, ginagamit ko na lang in the morning. Next naman is this one. Ito yung parang ginagamit ko talaga every day. I feel like it just wakes my skin up. This is the Face Republic Gold Mineral Cleanser, and as you can see, I have used a lot of it. I think I got this last month or 2 months ago. I forgot. But I use this every morning if I don't use the other one. So that's what I use for my cleanser. And this also has like beads that crumble pero hindi naman siya exfoliating. And also I use moisturizer. So I used to not use moisturizer in the morning, pero I watched Hiram's video. Parang sinasabi niya na kahit moisturizing yung sunscreen mo, you still have to use moisturizer. And yung ginagamit kong moisturizer is the Ilana Mineral Cosmetics Flower Power Moisturizer. So I use this every morning and every night. And I just love it. Hindi siya masyadong fragrancy. It has like a scent of rose, pero hindi naman siya malakas. So I think that's good kasi it means there's not much fragrance. I don't know, I'm not an expert, pero I just really love how this moisturizes my skin and gives me that glow that I want. And lastly, my sunscreen. I use the Face Republic sometimes, pero mas gusto ko talaga to kasi less shiny looking siya sa face and mas less sticky yung feeling. Like, the Face Republic one isn't sticky. This one, pero I feel like it's heavier than this one. Ito kasi super light. I should really compare the ingredients, but for now, I'm just using up what I have kasi sayang naman if I don't finish them up. That's what I use. 3 products in the morning and then at night, I'm gonna share it next time. Pero yung hair care ko pala, I just discovered this recently. I've had this for so long, pero recently lang ako sinipag na mag-hair care. So today, I used a hair mask. This is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. And it looks like this. It smells so good. If you like that milky coconut scent, I think you like this. Pero medyo strong yung scent niya. So if you don't like that, I'm not sure if you'll be into this. I'm gonna link this down below. Kasi I feel like it really moisturizes my hair. Kasi recently, dry din yung hair ko. I don't know why. Pero I guess, hindi ko kasi siya masyadong na-aasikaso. By the way, if you have any shampoo or conditioner recommendations, please let me know. Kasi I feel like dun sa shampoo and conditioner ko siya nagiging dry. I'm not sure, pero I feel like I need to change those up. But this one really helps my hair. And it comes with this brush, which I like using when my hair is wet. Kasi I feel like it doesn't damage my hair, unlike if I use a normal brush. Okay, and then this one, when my hair is slightly damp na lang, I just pump this. Ayan. It's like an oil. And I just put it on my hair. And it gives me like a really nice shiny hair. Yeah, nagsuot ko lang siya. Recently ko lang to na-discover. I think this week ko lang ulit siya nagamit, and I really like how my hair looks when it dried up, and I think it's because of this one also. Okay, I really need to stop because I have so much things to do. Yay! Anton bought banchan for us. Thank you. This is what I got. Oh, that looks good. And Anton got this. Ooh. And then iced tea.
Very fresh.
It's fine. Thanks, babe.
It's mine.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
어디에 붙어 있어? 난 그냥 사네. 그럼 여기서.
A package from Ilana Mineral Cosmetics came. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Look! This is for my mom. It has a bag. That's so nice. Looks so nice. And then these are for me. Okay, so this is for my mom. They also gave, I think, 5 products for her. We have the Blur Makeup Primer, the F Off Stress Cooling Massage Cream, meron ding cooling spray, yung Glass Skin Glow, which looks like this. It looks so nice. I wonder how it looks like on the face. We also have the Calm Skin Balancing Serum, which looks like this. Ayan. And then lastly, they sent me their Calm Skin Balancing Lightweight Face Oil, which looks like this. So I'm excited to try these out. For my mom naman, they gave this cute pouch for Mother's Day that includes these products. So we have 2 of the same products. Meron din Satin Stain Shine Liquid Lip and Cheek Tint with the Cream Skin Face Oil and the Cream Skin Hydrating Serum. So ayan. Thank you so much to Ilana Mineral Cosmetics, and we're excited to try everything out. We have pizza again. I think this is the pepperoni and mushroom with stuffed crust and cheese. And we also have another pizza. This is the cheesy garlic with sausage stuff naman. Quick update. Anton just left and I studied a bit. We studied together again today, and I honestly don't know where the day went. I guess it started late kasi. Like, he went here mga 2 or almost 3 p.m. We ate lunch. We watched a bit of Hotel de Luna. And yeah, nag-study kami ng konti. I was able to study one topic, which is conflict of interest. And now I'm on my second topic. So yeah, I have like 5 topics to study for today, because I plan to study one whole minor subject today, another tomorrow, and then I'm also gonna film a video for Ilana Mineral Cosmetics. Also, quick hair update. I really feel like my hair feels softer right now. Medyo magulo yung hair ko kasi it was up all day. I just removed it from my clip because I wanted to show you. But it's not as dry as usual, and I really feel like it's because of the mask and the hair serum I used. Again, these are the products I used. Yung Amos Natural Repair Essential Oil and also the Coco and Eve hair mask. So I've been really loving these 2 together lately. Yeah. Thank you. I'm trying to film product shots right now. And ito yung gift ko sa mom ko. Hi everyone! I'm so sorry I did not film that much today because it was a filming day. I decided to do a video on the Ilana Mineral Cosmetics products because I was so interested in their products and I just wanted to share my first impressions with you. So yun, you're gonna see that first. I think mas matagal pa tong mapopost kasi parang mga pre-film videos ko to. But anyway, I just wanted to vlog tonight because it's the last episode of Vincenzo tonight. So baka panoorin namin yun ni Anton together. and we're gonna try Korean noodles. So I gave him the Korean noodles. I bought one for each of us. So yun, we're gonna try that together. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later na lang when the episode starts, which is 10 p.m. 8 p.m. na ngayon, so 2 hours na lang. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad it's gonna end, but I'm so excited. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm planning to shower before dinner, and I'm gonna try this one out since I have makeup on. Na-try ko na yung purple na to, but I haven't tried this pink one yet, I don't think. So, let's open this. I just want to see how it looks like. Ayan. By the way, this also comes with this one, so you can remove yung plastic na to, and then you can cover it with the cover they have. And then you can also put the spatula here. I made coffee because I might stay up late again because I need to study. Kailangan ko bumawi sa hindi ko pag-aral kanina. And I'm planning to make this one. This is the cheese bokki. Nakita ko ta dati sa vlogs ni Denise. And I finally bought the right one. Dati cheese ramen pala yung binili ko. Ito yung cheese bokki. Ito yung nire-recommend niya before. Sabi ko babawi ako sa pag-aral, pero yung plan pala tonight is to watch Vincenzo. So after that, I'm gonna study, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I got my cheese bokki. And we're gonna watch Vincenzo. Oh my gosh, nasaan na yun? Why are you orange?
Why did you freeze?
Vincenzo.
I didn't freeze.
Last episode. I didn't leave it on. I removed that. Okay. Ready, set, go. I like these noodles.
저는 그런 뜻이 아니라 환자가
No.
식사했는지 눈으로 직접 체크해야 되는 거 아닙니까? 환자가 하나도 안 먹잖아.
My favorite character.
무슨 한창의 남동부지검 쪽이랑 자리 맡을 테니까 잘 맞춰서 봐. 알겠습니다.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm so sad.
I did all the tests, and yet when I did measure myself, I was actually have a very severe ubiquinol or CoQ10 deficiency.
We ordered this pedal cafe, and I got the Spanish latte, and then Anton got the salted caramel. Ayan. And then meron din silang cookies. I think it's in partnership with the Little Kitchen, and it's so good. We bought 3. Anton bought 3, and we shared one pa lang. Tapos ang sarap. So we're gonna eat that, and then I'm gonna try this one. Why? These are the cookies, and ubos na namin. Pero it's so good. It's crunchy on the outside, tapos super chewy yung inside. Parang may chocolate pa siya sa loob. Ayan, puro chocolate. So good. It's 60 pesos per piece, tapos you can buy a box of 3 for 180. I have not been vlogging because I'm so stressed for finals. I don't know what to study. I've studied 2 of my minors already. I'm not done. I also studied anatomy and physiology today, like konting topics per subject, kasi nga I alternate between the two because I can't decide, and also I get sleepy when I stick to one topic or like one subject. So, ina-alternate ko sila. This is what I studied for anatomy so far, yung upper limbs. Ayan. Actually, my friend suggested this, that I go to Lectorio and watch the videos. So I did, and it's actually really helpful easier to understand instead of just reading it. And as you can see, ito yung upper limbs anatomy and 29% pa lang yung progress ko. Ang dami pa. And hindi lang ito yung topics namin for finals. Meron pang lower limbs and yung other topics from previous exams. I don't know if I'll be able to study everything. Probably not. I'll just go by my memory. Hopefully, may maalala pa ako from the previous topics. I don't even know. That's why I'm so stressed right now. Hindi ako maka-vlog. So, sorry na lang. I'll try to vlog after my finals. I think for finals, I'm just gonna focus on the recent topics because I think they're gonna ask more questions about that compared to yung beginning topics. Because I think they're just gonna ask yung mga important questions, like yung mga must know talaga. And hopefully I still remember those, but I'll try to scan through my old notes, and yung mga old notes ko, yung mga written pa, it's not on my iPad, so I don't know. Anyway, I don't know, I might end the vlog here. I just showed you my dinner a while ago kasi nga wala talaga akong vlog today because I've been studying lang. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry for the short rant, long rant, I don't even know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. I'll try my best to vlog again, but we'll see. So yeah.